I want to start this by asking you one simple question. Ever felt like you need a break from your life, but planning it feel messier than your work week? Hi, I am Mayank Ramani, and what I'm about to share isn't just a startup idea. It's a piece of my journey and maybe yours too. The idea came to me when I was planning a simple weekend trek in Himachal. I just wanted a peaceful break. So I searched Google, Instagram, and various other travel pages. What did I get was 20 WhatsApp quotation, conflicting price, no clear packages, and no verification. After hours, I booked with someone unverified. When I got there, the stay was different from the photos. The guide barely showed up and the experience was unforgettable. And then it hits me. Is this how people discover the real India they are craving? Which is unstructured, unverified, and unreliable. According to the Ministry of Tourism, India saw over 1.7 billion domestic trips last year. Yet 80% of the travelers still rely on outdated blogs, random WhatsApp chats, or word of mouth referrals. And it's not just the treks. Local events like art shows, cake retreats remain undiscoverable. Over 50,000 plus small travel and experience vendors, India struggle with high customer acquisition cost, low digital visibility, and zero tech infrastructure. We are in 2025 and travelers are still confused and vendors are still invisible. That's why we are building Trip Pe Chalo, India's first internet travel discovery platform for curated adventure, local events, and experiences. We are not replacing OTAs, we are building India's first discovery engine. And why we are different is because we are building with a vendor-first approach, where we give vendor a zero-cost digital storefront, WhatsApp and Google integration, and smart SaaS prep management tools. We reduce vendors' cost of acquisition from approximately 500 rupees per customer down to 100 and 150 rupees while letting them own customer relationships. At the heart of Trip Pe Chalo is Sherpa AI, your personal travel co-pilot. Sherpa isn't just a name, it's a promise. The name came from a mountain tribe that quietly carries your load and walk beside you when the climb gets tougher. Sherpa AI does the same for your travel life, so that you can focus on your journey, not on chaos. But what does that mean, really? Most of the platforms show you list, but Sherpa AI, listen. It uses intent parsing, your travel behavior, seasonal preferences, and real-time availability to deliver a contextual postal planning. In a market where 70% of the young Indian travelers now prefer postalization over pricing, Sherpa AI makes travel feel like chatting with a friend who truly knows you. Hey Sherpa.
Hey Mayank, welcome to Trip Pe Chalo. Hope you're having a good day. Can I help you relax or explore today?
Hey Sherpa, I need to book a trek in Manali. My budget is 8K and we are 3 people.
Got it, Mayank. Let me find the best verified options for you in Manali, within your budget. Here's what I found. Humta Pass Trek, Valley of Flowers, all are verified with real traveler reviews and are under your
Hey
budget.
Sherpa, can you help me book a train from Delhi to Surat for tomorrow?
Sure thing, Mayank. Here are your best options right now. Rajdhani Express, Grand Trunk Express. Seats are available on all of these. Let me know if you'd like to book or if you want to check flights or buses too. Always here when you need a smooth escape, Mayank.
And that's it. Whether it's planning an adventure or finding a hidden local event or any other experience or booking a train, all I need to say is, hey Sherpa, and the journey begins. We are tapping India's 23,500 CR adventure and local experience market, growing at 15 to 17% CAGR while expanding into local event discovery. We begin onboarding vendors in Bhopal and Dharamshala, building this discovery engine city by city. Because we are not just building a product, we are building a system for India discovery economy. So why ISB? Because I have built a team, missed payment, hit deadlines, and learned how business breathe. But now I need a sharper framework, better system, and the right ecosystem to scale. I'm not applying because I have all the answers. I'm applying because I have the mindset to ask a better question. And with ISB, I won't just grow Trip Pe Chalo. I contribute to every classroom and found a conversation I touch.